Hello everyone, my name is Rizwan and I joined Dream PTE in 2023. My first PTE exam without informing Alex, and I failed in reading and speaking. After showing my result to Alex, he advised me that I should do mock tests so he can find where I'm going wrong. After attempting 3 mock tests, I booked the test again, but unfortunately I failed in speaking, and I also think so that the read lecture and repeat sentences were quite difficult, and he just gave me a strategy about repeat sentences that I should write down 6 to 7 words and just say something at the end. Although I didn't get the results, and I was feeling very exhausted, tired and depressed, but I make up my mind that I will do this exam and I will pass, and I just start practicing again and send audios and then book the test again, and I just passed my test and I'm feeling over the moon. I just want to say one thing, that don't watch any videos on YouTube about one-line strategy or anything else. Some people say in describe image you can say from the picture the color is red, blue and green, this is very beautiful. Don't follow it. And I will also advise you that just follow whatever Alex told you, and I think that is the key to success in your exam.